And well, as the Supreme Court hears the case over the Jagannath Rath Yatra, both the Odisha government and the centre have supported the Yatra taking place. The state government has changed its stand from the last time around, where it had said that it has left it up to the wisdom of the Supreme Court to decide what the best way forward is. The centre has also said that the entire Rath Yatra can be telecasted live. Several of those details taking place as the matter has been taken up by the top court, wherein both the centre and the Odisha government are now batting for the Yatra to take place, also saying that the entire Rath Yatra can be telecasted live. Our legal correspondent Nalini breaking down some of those details for us. Nalini, the matter now in the top court, what is it looking like will happen? Because now centre and the state government both wanting that, if nothing else, the Yatra must be telecasted live.
Well, Kutswin, the reason why this hearing is so important today is essentially because the Rath Yatra is scheduled to take place tomorrow on Tuesday in Puri in Odisha. So that is essentially why we are seeing these multiple petitions come up before the Supreme Court today. A total of 12 applications have been filed before the top court asking for their earlier order to be reconsidered and telling them as to whether or not the Rath Yatra can be allowed under any circumstances. In regard to that, the biggest news coming in from the Supreme Court right now is that the central government, along with the state government, which is the Odisha government, have taken a stand that the Rath Yatra should be allowed because it's a centuries-old tradition. So keeping that in mind, and of course the faith of the devotees and the fact that the devotees believe that Lord Jagannath will not come again for another 12 years, is why this Rath Yatra should be allowed to be carried out, keeping certain precautions in mind. So with that regard, the Solicitor General has come forth and given some suggestions, saying that there can be only a minimum number of people who can be a part of this Rath Yatra, which includes people who are working in the Lord Jagannath temple in Puri and who have for certainly tested negative for COVID-19. In addition to that, certain precautions can be taken place.
All right. So the matter now at the top court, and we'll keep putting out more details of the same, keeping the sentiment of people in mind. Both the centre and the Odisha government now urging the top court to make sure that the Yatra is telecast live.